know that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with Luvme hair, but today we are going to be doing a Glueless install with their Undetectable HD lace frontal unit in body wave. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig and it is literally beautiful. I did a Glueless install, so I'm going to show you guys how I did that quick and easy install. The links for this wig will be in the description box, and if you'd like to hear more about how I feel about this hair, definitely wait until the end so you can see how I feel, my honest review. But so far so good, I can't even lie. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
Every time I try to resist you, you can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, 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 around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around,
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna
when you get naughty. Before that, we a chill with Noel and party, a John and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird version. Back it up high, you look right. Your body die, me. Oh, God.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body at the tight and anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Dance and tease, man. How you want to run like a nothing? After you dance for me and have my hips stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body have to tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man. Yeah. Shut it. I know what you need. I got everything you need. I promise I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby. Swear to God.
Me how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a big cage now. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss it. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black seats.
Alright babes, so this is the finished look and this unit is from Luvme Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 24-inch Undetectable HD lace frontal body wave unit in 24 inches, and this is just what we're giving right now. As you can see, this unit is really nice and full, and I am living for the quality of the hair. It's really nice and soft. I don't want to run my hands through the hair too much because I do have to head to dinner right now, but honestly, so far so good. I always love Luvme's laces. They are always perfection. Like, this is a real undetectable lace. I cannot wait to go ahead and take the thumbnail pictures and the pictures that I have to take later tonight. I am living for the look right now. So thank you so much to Luvme Hair, and if you would like to purchase this gorgeous wig, don't forget to check the description box for the links for you to do so. And as always, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.